Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how to create a repeating event in the new calendar. So I want to create an event for tutorials that happen every Monday. So the first thing that I need to do is actually create the event. So I'm going to start on the 22nd, so I'm going to double click to go into my event, and I'm going to name it tutorials. And it's not going to be all day, it's going to start at 2:30, and it's going to go to 3:30. And I need to choose here that it does repeat. So I get to choose when it's going to repeat. Is it going to repeat daily, weekly, annually? You can also go to custom, and I want to look at custom because I like that in the custom repeating section, you can tell it when to end, whether I want it to never end, if I want it to end on a certain date, or after a certain number of occurrences. So maybe if it's a birthday, it's something that you never want to end. If it is tutorials that only go through April, then maybe you have them end after at the last day of April. If it is something like a 12-week course, then you could have it end after a certain number of occurrences. But I like using this custom box because you can be a little more specific. So for this one, I'm actually going to repeat every Monday, and we are going to end at the end of April. So the 30th will be my last one, and I'm going to hit done. Once I have told it when to repeat, I can add my location. It's going to be in my classroom. I'm going to keep the notification if you want to change the color. And if you wanted to add guests, you can. This will add this event to their calendar, every repeating event, and hit save. So now it's going to come up for every Monday, every month, until the end of April, and then the 30th is the last one, and that's it.